Hi YouTubers, today I would like to show you how to use webp image compression by Google. First of all, we have to go for the download page, which I'm going to put in the description. And for me, I do have Windows 10 64-bit, so I download the lib 1.0.3 Windows 64, and it is just only 3.6 megabyte. There is also Linux and Mac version, so you can download whatever you like. After that, I just download it and put it on the download folder, and also I add the image that I would like to compress. So I do have right now an image that has 10 megapixel, and I would like to shrink the size to the minimum, so when I upload the file to the web page, the loading for the image will be way much less than the 10 megabyte for the end user. So it's going to be much user friendly for the user. So first of all, I would like to copy the address of the application where it is installed, and then I'm gonna use cmd here to run the command line. I'm gonna change the director to where it's rest, and then the next step, there is a small command that I would like to add, which is just copy this one. I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna change the name of the image. So I will use me.webp, and I do know that I do have image called me.jpg. Now if I hit enter, the application will do the process, and then I will show you the different size of the image. And it doesn't work. Now if I go to the image that I just created, so this is just only 386 kilobyte from 10 megabytes. So if I just open the image and here we go. If I zoom in, this is how much details I do have in my image, and still I do have very small size of the application. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like if you get a help of this. Bye bye.